Welcome to English with me. Learn English through stories.
Hi, everyone. I am Emily.
I'm Ben. Today, we will go shopping together.
Yes, but first, Tom will drive to my house to pick me up. Good morning, Ben.
Good morning. Are you ready?
Yes, I'm ready. Thank you for driving today. Let's begin our trip.
No problem. Let's put on our seatbelts. Safety first.
Yes, you're right. Let's go to the supermarket.
The road looks busy today.
Yes, many people are going to work.
Look, the weather is sunny and nice.
A good day for shopping.
Oh, I see the supermarket sign. We are almost there.
Here we are. Let's park the car.
Great. We found a parking spot.
Let's take a shopping cart and go inside.
Okay, I'll push the cart.
Let's start with fruits. I love apples.
Look at these apples. They are red and shiny.
Let's take some bananas too. They are perfect for breakfast.
Good idea. I will also take some grapes.
Here is the milk section. I'll take 1 carton. And I will get some yogurt.
It's good for snacks. Do you want some cheese too?
Yes, cheese is great. Let's take a small block.
Look at the bakery section.
Fresh bread smells so good.
I'll get 1 loaf of whole wheat bread.
And I want some sweet rolls. We should buy drinks too.
Do you want tea?
Yes, green tea is my favorite. And you need coffee, right?
Ha, of course. I cannot live without coffee.
Oh, snacks. These cookies look tasty.
Let's get a small pack. And maybe some chocolate too.
Okay, but not too much. We must eat healthy.
Do we need shampoo?
Yes, and toothpaste too. Let's put them in the cart.
Perfect. I think we almost have everything.
Wait, we forgot rice. Let's add 1 bag.
Wow, our card is full now.
Yes, let's go and pay.
Done. Now let's carry the bags to the car.
These bags are heavy. Thank you for helping me.
You're welcome. Let's drive back to your home.
The sun is shining. I like this kind of day.
Me too. It feels relaxing after shopping.
We are back home now. Let's put the bags on the kitchen table.
Okay, I will take out the bread, milk, and fruit.
And I will put the vegetables in the fridge. We have food for the whole week.
Shopping together is always fun.
Thank you, everyone, for joining us today.
Don't forget to like, share, and
Subscribe for more easy English lessons.
see you next time. Bye bye.